Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at We're heading up Mount Keogan. We did have plans on doing McIntyre Bluff, but it's closed off. They had this winery thing. So there's Mount Keogan. Yeah, I'm not yielding. Yeah, it's a bit of a scorcher today. This will be wild current out here. It has another name, but we don't really have to refer to that name. We can just call it wild. Look at that rock. Can you see this interesting stump rootstock structure? Like a tree had fallen over. That is so neat. How the trees have a basic rule when they're growing up in the air, but underground anything goes. If it reconnects to itself, it reconnects to itself. Whatevs, as long as you get the water, you're good. And everybody's happy. We're coming up to some pretty blue flowers. Larkspur, maybe? The size of this tree coming up. So the ticker hasn't gone for 1 kilometer yet. I'm not sure if that's just because we're getting bad signal. I don't think we've got a full kilometer, but yeah. That big stout old boy. And all the little birds and bugs have been trying to get into them. You can kind of see the view opening up on that side. And this old stump here. These rocks surrounding us. This is just a really nice trek in here. Whew, it is dry. You can see the striations in the rocks and layers. Some of them glitter and glow with that granite feel to it. They're just amazing. These ashy, birchy, poplar kind of trees. Yeah, I don't think they're cottonwood. It's probably too high up for that. These guys here kind of tell you that there's water nearby. So if you have a dog, they're gonna probably find some unique and gross mud for you. Well, I wish you the best of luck with that. Oh, will it support me? Yeah, I think I'm okay. Keogan, go east, old man. Go east, old man. Mount Keogan. I don't like that we're going downhill, because I think we got a lot of uphill to go. Trees. Oh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, everybody ready to see me wipe out and die here? What even is this for a bridge? We just made it 2 kilometers. It doesn't look like there's much trees ahead of us. There's going to be a view opening up here. I don't think we're quite at the top yet. Because I mean, there's at least that, if we're not heading over there. But yeah, I don't really know. And look at this beautiful space. And this grassy land area. That butterfly. Off back there it does look kind of ugly, whether it's rain or smoke coming in. Kind of has a feel of rain, but the color behind it kind of doesn't make me feel great. Over here it's all clear skies, the clouds are clean. We're still a few kilometers in, going through the great Widowmaker Tunnel of death. I don't know. Getting distracted by bitterroot blossoms. Ooh. Cute little swallowtail butterfly. Oh my god. Oh. We haven't made it 3 kilometers yet, but we did pass a couple that said we're at least halfway there. So that's, I guess, hopeful. Oh, I'm just exhausted. This has been a long, dry, brutal slog, and I can see them way the hell up there. I would like to find some shade, but it looks like we got some dark cloud moving in. So it might be a moot point. I wouldn't mind getting to the top before the thunder shower, but it's beginning to feel like maybe not. Ew, a little puffball mushroom. Yeah, little puffballer. You hear the rain and thunder coming in. The wind is picking up. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're in for. I don't think we're gonna get out of this one dry. Yellow flowers everywhere, larkspurs everywhere, lightning and thunder everywhere. Okay, well, we're getting rained on. It feels pretty chilly too. We're at the intersection. Go east, old man, and Mount Keogan. We're gonna go up this way. I think we come back on that trail, but we might not. I don't know. you up there. You're not gonna like this.
There's birds flitting around here. Well, the rain's let up.
So yeah, maybe I'll get hit by lightning. That'll be something new for me. Okay, so I'm gonna press up against this rock, which means only one side of me is getting wet. The rain's coming down pretty good. There's thunder and lightning overhead. Right now I'm way down against this rock, so I won't be hitting me. Nice. Okay. Is it even drier on the trail right here? Yeah. That's pretty good. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to put the camera down for a bit. Let this kind of pass for a minute. Beep, 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 beep. Short news report. It's not just rain now, we're getting hail. Hail is coming down on me. I found this little rock outcropping. It's keeping most of the stuff off me. But yeah, you can see the little ice chunks bouncing around out there. So coming through this way, we passed a rainstorm that came down pretty good, probably at this level. Can't really say for sure. Can't say if it's the same storm or not. But it took us a couple of minutes to drive through it. So chances are this might just be done in 15 minutes to half an hour. I don't know. Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow, that kind of stung. Some of these are hurting.
Yeah, I was thinking about sneaking off here and quickly doing the peak. Now I'm kind of glad I didn't. My head is mostly protected, which I'm pretty happy about. Oh, that trail is just a mud path. Oh my God. Yeah, with my head to the rock here, I think I'm pretty much protected. But yeah, this is nutty. As soon as it lets up, I'm gonna make a quick push to the top, check things out, turn around and get the hell out of Dodge. You hear that? That's the sound of it speeding up. That's not the kind of noises you want to hear. That's the no-no kind of noises. Holy Moses.
Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at the top of that little rock quarry. Trail says it goes down that way. I'm content with calling this done and getting the heck out of here. Holy, look at this. I am freezing. Oh. So, my spot was keeping me safe from the hill, but not safe from the water. I am just totally freaking soaked. Okay, I gotta find a safe way down here. Now I am beating feet quick because that last thunderclap was really quite close, like flash, bit, thunderclap. So, I'm gonna put myself a little lower on this trail, and hopefully we can find a covered portion of the trail to get us the rest of the way out of here. So this is where I was kind of hiding out. Now, the problem with hail is that a big enough chunk traveling at terminal velocity will knock you right out. So if I fell unconscious, especially if I was standing, that would be quite the problem. Right now, the little balls of ice have made everything so slippery. Okay. I don't think that tree is going to save me if I fall. Okay. So, yeah. I'm totally willing to just call this one done. What a nice extreme weather event, though, to get on film. You don't often have experiences like that. don't think the other hikers are gonna come up this way. I hope they found good cover, but I guess I'm gonna get yelled at if they didn't. Oh, Moses. Alright, I'm gonna meet up with the other hikers. Okay, we're at the Go East Old Man intersection, which I think we're gonna take because it might be longer, but it'll be easier going, and probably under more cover. I seem to remember it being decently treed in. Look at the fog blowing just through here. Like, that's eerie and crazy, and I don't like see that in town. This is new weather for mountains. Oh, it smells so nice in here despite it being like apocalyptic-y. I guess they were right to issue that thunderstorm warning, huh? Oh, it's good to be alive. Oh, that smell though. That's like pure sap. Yeah. It also feels like we're in a good spot right here. Let some of it pass if we want. So I'm not going to drop hit me right now. Yeah. Oh, we found the Icelandic connection. Okay, well, the fog in the camera's cleared up a little bit, not perfectly, but it kind of feels like the weather's getting nicer. We're on the Go East Old Man Trail. Feels like it's taking us way the heck around, though. Whereas I thought it was supposed to keep on the other side of the mountain, but who knows? It's probably still a better way of getting down than what we came up, especially if the rain had started washing all the trails out. Now you gotta be careful on the hill here, because the hill is round little things of ice and they're fun to slide on. Oh, so the wind coming up was so nice and cool, and now that we've been hailed on and covered in ice, it's so warm. So different. Both times that wind has been a blessing. My, oh my. Wowzers. Oh my goodness. The other thing about the hill is it hides where the rocks are. That one twisted my left foot a little bit. Deeper down and deeper down we go. Down, down, down to the valley below. It's so peaceful now, even though you can hear the rumbling in the background. Whoa. Look at this tree. Sticking its butt out. Oh, you needed it. Hail builds character. I just stared out the lens and that seemed to help. We got a view of Mahoney Lake over there. And you can see the weather that's still coming our way. I think the worst of it's over. I'm not sure if the stuff on those mountains over there will be heading this way or if it'll go past us or what. Look at those mountains. Getting sprayed by weather. Yeah, but the thing is I'm never gonna get these calories back. They're gonna be gone forever, yo. I'm never gonna get these calories back. They're gonna be gone forever.
Not.
Yeah. Blame it on all trails.
We are clearly in the middle of the no trail.
We're on Go East, old man. We're taking Groovy Bob down. It's not really listed in the all trails thing, but we were on it before. I'm pretty sure that's how we got to Go East, old man. First time we came through here. And I'm pretty sure Groovy Bob takes us down to the 007 trail.
This is what we're getting to miss. Just for perspective. We literally missed this by a minute. We had like 0 time to spare. Yeah, if you find a spot where you want to pull over out of the ice, you can. But I don't know where that would be right now. At least we know that it has a time limit. Yeah. It's legitimately scary. The adventure never stops.
There's a box. There's more out here. Yeah. There are big rocks.
Oh yeah. Maybe we should have went the other way. Well, how did we know?
No, I'm not going back that way. That's coming down.
Yeah, all we gotta do is get to that bridge, turn right, and then we gotta get into that little mall somehow.
You'll have to tell me where, because I'm not sure where it is.